Do you want to learn how to boot a live demo of Ubuntu 24.04 LTS? Because you need to watch this entire video to try out Ubuntu relatively risk-free. To try out the demo for Ubuntu, make sure you have your bootable media inserted your computer. It can be a DVD or a portable USB drive. Make sure that you can boot in that device. Some computers have the option to select a boot device, like VirtualBox. In that case is F12. Once you have booted off your portable media, a menu will look like this one. It will give you three options. If you do nothing, it will automatically select the first option. You can manually choose which option by pressing Enter or with the arrow keys. We need to select Try or Install Ubuntu. This process may take some time, depending on how fast your hardware is. Now that the system is fully loaded, it will ask us to choose our language. In this case, we will select English and then click Next. Now it's going to ask if you need any help with accessibility in Ubuntu. You can change these later, otherwise click Next. It will ask for your default keyboard, which is fine, click Next. Whether you connect to the internet, use a wired connection or do not connect to the internet, so we're going to keep as the default, click Next. Now this is what is different. We don't want to install Ubuntu, we want to try the demo of Ubuntu. What is good about this, it will create a RAM disk, so when the computer shuts down, it will go with it. It won't do anything to your hard drive unless you ask it to. So we are going to click and select Try Ubuntu, and then click Close. Now you have been taken directly to the Ubuntu desktop, and feel free to try it out. Now if you decide to install later, there is an icon on the desktop on the right lower corner which will say Install Ubuntu 24.04 LTS if you so wish to install it. So what have you learned so far? We have shown you how easy and simple it is to boot up a live demo of Ubuntu 24.04 LTS Desktop to try out. Please consider becoming a patron because we need your help to continue and improve our content. You should watch this next video because you need to carry on your educational journey because it will help us in order to help you. So click it now. So be awesome and give it a click.